Hi YouTube, this is Nicktoons Wheel 197, and I'm going to show you some tricks I do with my dog, with Scooby Snacks. I'll just give him one of them. Good catch. Watch the Scooby Snack. Come on. Good dog. Good dog. You kennel. Come on. Come on, let's see. Here. Oh, you fucking dog. Come on, get it. Get it. He doesn't want to do that trick. But he does do it before. He has done it before. Last one. I'm going to do one on the bin. Go. Dog, come on. Come on, that last one. Come on, Wolford. Okay. Sorry, he doesn't want to do most of the tricks. So I'll see if he'll do one last one. Hey, champion. Champion. Good dog, yeah. Okay, bye.